Good morning, 9:30 in Sorsogon City, Luzon. Yeah, we are a bit tired. We couldn't sleep so good. We stayed here in Irosin Sorsogon. The hotel was good, but surrounding was not that fine. Yeah, we are heading to Mayon Volcano. So we try to find something to eat on the way. Good morning, Sarah.
Baba.
Yeah.
Hi.
And our driver.
Hello.
There.
Mommy's hungry. Hungry.
Day 4 on our Philippines road trip. Generally, the roads in Philippines so far are good. There are some road constructions, but otherwise it's good road. Only that's not advisable to drive at night. So the landscape, the scenery around is beautiful. Everything is green. So we are somewhere in Sorsogon, heading towards Mayon. So we have long left to drive. This is view, a little view of
My mommy wants.
Sorsogon.
My mommy wants to drink cookers, but we have cookers, but we cannot take down the cookers to mommy because why not, mommy?
What did you eat, Sarah? Choco?
I think this.
Look at that, the beautiful Mayon. Mayon Volcano. Perfect Hershey cone.
Oh no! Shoot.
Ser Sarah.
Yeah.
Nu ryker de där uppe.
Ja, det finns.
Mamma håller på att göra video.
Ja, just.
Så.
So actually this is the good spot for taking pictures of the perfect cone of Mayon Volcano. The first stop of our 4th-day road trip in Philippines is the Mayon Volcano. It's a perfect cone volcano, but as today the clouds cover the top. So nice view. So welcome to Mayon Volcano, Legazpi Albay, and this is Kagsawa Rowell, located in Albay. So this is